Imo.
O gani.
Buwang na get ko do.
Basa-basa lang kag ano to. Kaning magasin.
Sino ako
Ano?
na. Malay.
Ay, mga artista ni sa Australia. Ay, mga celebrity dito.
Sa magasin lang man.
Yung sa mali, si Brad Pitt.
Ngain.
Ah, si Tom Cruise.
Oh, stamp cross yun. Ya, tinsa puding nakayalo.
Hindi na.
Ay,
Si
ay,
Alda.
dining.
Nick Grabs and Young Man Shoulder and the... Nick Grabs. Nick.
Nanaog
si
na
Nick.
to si Lolo.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's it. Pwede magpapula.
Pula. Gwapo tong kulay. Ay, kani mo ha kay mura siya ano. Dili ra mahalata na
Ay,
Di ka pa
uban.
kulay tay. Sumbok.
Pakulay ko, palit ko.
Og apil ang ano, yung tail o pa manicure pedicure.
Amo gali hugaw kayo.
Oh, ay imong gikuan.
Yung sa,
Gitanggal ni mo kuko nga naglabaw.
ay di na ko.
Yung ganina.
Kasamad.
Para oh.
Kane? Wala na.
Ay, dara sa pikas. Aray ka lang.
Ekoy.
Dara.
Oh, kanang.
O kani oh.
Mo lagi. Bedaw.
Ambot og naikuan si Ate Silvia, nail cutter.
Ato daw. Na siya.
Pangatanan ako. Okay.
Unsa daw?
Asa ipaknit?
Ang isa, iyang gitanggal.
Ang isa.
Isa rin, oh. Pero wala raman.
Sagdi lang kay ako ng putla.
Ara, oh.
Magpaano lagi taon niya?
Unsa naman ang
Salon
putla?
Yung
What's happening?
Auntie Minda's
We're
nails.
talking the nails of the Cantimindangkel. We will bring her in the salon.
So, how
the
the
nails.
nails clean?
In her...
Last time she had her hair done down there with those people, they burned her hair at the
No,
back.
just the nails. They burn your hair.
They did. They burned her hair at
Yeah.
the back. Because the bloke didn't want. He was kind of killing time until the other woman came back, and he kept using he kept
Oh, yeah.
using the
Typical.
roller thing at the back,
The iron,
iron,
hair iron.
and burned her hair.
Nya. Nawala akong buhok.
Na
Yeah,
burn.
I wanted you to go back there and beat him up.
Ay, salala
Yeah,
ka.
the gay bloke was there, and he was doing it. But
Palengke.
we went back the last time, but we didn't go to those people. We went to the people across the way from them. But I forget what. I think you just had your nails done. Chichi, everything all right?
Yes, sir.
You weren't flooded again?
No, there's no
Did you
rain.
see the washing machine?
Yeah.
Dapat
Needs to be turned
ito yung-
around so the pipe goes down.
after.
Yeah.
Pag
So the pipe goes down was into the
Katulugot ka?
Wala eh.
Kasi sa bata din, oh. Ang matalingin.
Isa ng baby to. Si,
I
this
don't
is
know.
the daughter.
Daughter mo na.
Taya.
Kaya,
Taya. She looked like a sinagas little bug in a rug. Like crow. Yung baby to. Cute yung baby.
may baby. Isa, may baby. Ako,
May baby pa kate.
Baby si mong lubot. Agoy, magbibinda ko do.
Possible, te.
Si mo, hilom ka dra. Nakatawa lang ko eh.
What's so bloody funny?
I asked Auntie Minda, Uncle, if she still wants to have a baby.
Gagoy.
Just kidding,
Well,
Uncle.
I was suggesting it, George, that these people across here will be looking how convenient it will be. You get me? The children here. And I mean, you could always run a little business as well. If the parents don't come in time to pick up the children, they can shuffle them across here. They can stay on the
Whistle banana.
so they can watch TV or whatever here, and you get a bit of money. Late mothers or late fathers pick up.
Mayong dili kuon.
Their
Mister.
yayas,
They have yayas, uncle.
babysitter, Uncle. They have babysitter. Wait,
They are rich.
Retsoy.
They have baby nurses.
Saan may pagkuan darling? I-close.
i-close.
Kay sayang imo.
Ayaw i-close.
Hindi mo i-close.
So that wouldn't do you, Minda, because you couldn't afford a nurse
What?
for your babies.